Hi everybody, great to be back. Crypto trade of the day. It's Friday morning today, and we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin. First of all, in terms of just market overview, we're going to try to talk through the Bitcoin and just give a medium to long term type of price prediction if you want. Also, I want to break down the situation itself on the Bitcoin since we do have an active position in place here. We're looking at the weekly chart, so we go back enough, all the way to. I would like to take you all the way to March 2024, right? So up till that point, there was a very strong bull cycle, right? Price action was absolutely hammering for a while. For a few good months. And it also set the record as far as the all-time high in early March. Right, it was hitting this almost the level of 74,000. Ever since then, right, we have to remember, ever since then, price is trading sideways. Sure, I mean, slightly downwards, but mostly sideways. And it's just kind of, I feel like it's a consolidation phase where price action is taking a deep breath before breaking forward later down the road. So, like I said, back and forth continuously. We've been able to capture that movement, that formation with that blue system, right? The blue key level system, all these blue lines. And we expect price action after coming from the bottom, and I'm talking about just not too long ago, early September. That was when price action was on the back foot, and I was measuring a simple measurement from the bottom of that spike, right here. But that was early August, right, all the way to the top, and I was applying 76.4 Fibonacci correction, last line of correction by definition, and it just happens to be this green line that I've marked here. So I noticed price action in real time hitting that level and backing off to the point where it was actually turning around. So that was interesting. It kind of, that was a strong evidence that was a technical correction, meaning that there's going to be an impulse wave that's going to take us to a higher high. So that's where we were coming from. And ever since then, we were bullish on the Bitcoin, but from the long-term perspective, right? Now, we've been witnessing the Bitcoin having a technical correction of a couple of weeks, where it was correcting the previous three positive weeks, right? There were 3 positive weeks that took us quite a distance, and these 2 weeks, the last, this week and the week before, is a form of technical correction to that, and we're seeing price action starting to back off of 65.81 that's been activated, and it's been active right now as we speak. Price action is pulling back up because that level is putting up a fight, and we've seen that level in action last week. Price action just touched and immediately pulled back, right? And this time, taking the previous, it's even going deeper, a little bit deeper, to take the previous low from last week, but it's already pulling back up, and I have a strong a feeling that it's going to stay above 65.81 by the end of the week. And right away, we're going to get that upside reversal. It's going to take us into a higher high. This time, I believe it's going to go straight to the next big resistance level, 69.757. That's going to be our primary target, and potentially even the final destination. This is how it looks like from the weekly perspective. From the daily perspective, it's a little bit different here. We have that's the short-term cycle, basically, starting to trade sideways here. And right now facing some adversity coming from that same 65.81 that I've mentioned earlier, and 69.11. The 69.11 is more of a local resistance level, but I think price action, if not today, tomorrow, will be able to crack through and start to march forward with more momentum to that 63,349. So that's a short-term profit target for us, right? So you see how basically I integrated the long-term cycle with the short-term cycle. But obviously the focus has to be on the short term because that's what's next, right? That's what's imminent. So here we are right now facing an obstacle. We need price action to break through 16,911 for us to get more confident and double up our position size. All right. That's pretty much it. Bitcoin, there you go, on the silver platter. Hope you enjoyed it. We're moving on. Take care. See you next time.